Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a video using the trending question, which TikTok video you have made has the most view. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube algorithm can push it out to others who need this tutorial. So this is a trending question which is going around TikTok asking which video has made you the most view. So let me show you how to answer this and create a video using this question. So first, open up your TikTok app. So go to your profile view and tap on the video which has made you the most view. Tap on the three dots and then tap on Save Video. This will save the video into your photo library. Now you want to go back to the home screen of TikTok and then tap on Search and search for which video got you the most view. In the search results, you're looking for that question that is being asked in the video. Tap on the video which has this question. If you look closely, you'll see this username, SpiderMark790, who has asked this question. The profile photo is of Spider-Man. As you can see, using these questions, other creators have answered it and created videos out of it. So this is really important that you make sure you use this question from this user, as this question from this user has gone viral. Now when you're ready, tap on Answer to create a video. This will open up your TikTok camera recording screen. Tap on Upload and upload your most viewed video which you downloaded from TikTok at the beginning of this tutorial. Once the video gets uploaded, you will see the question on screen. Now you can move or resize the question anywhere you like on the screen. Since your video will have original sound, you can skip the part of adding any sound. Next, make sure to add text of how many views the video has brought to you. Lastly, add your stickers and effects and then post it on TikTok. And that is how to create a video using the trending question, which TikTok video has made you the most view? If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.